Hello friends, welcome to Study by Technology. In our today's session for R, we will discuss about R survival analysis. So the survival analysis actually deals with predicting the time when a specific event is going to occur. Now this can be used for predicting as when the stock market will go up or go down, or when a particular mechanical system will fail. So this R package named survival is used to carry out the survival analysis. The package which is used over here is called as survival. Okay. So this package contains a function that is called as surv, which actually takes the input data as a R formula and creates a survival object among the chosen variables for analysis. Then we can use a function called surfit in order to create a plot for the analysis. So the first step that we have to use here is we have to install the survival package here. So to do the same, the command is install dot packages. Within this, we can have a survival. Okay. So now, in terms of basic syntax, if we talk about this, syntax can be written as like surv, so for survival. Then we have a time and we have a event. Here this time is basically a follow-up time until the event occurs. And this event indicates the status of the occurrence of the expected event. Okay. Then the next point about the surfit. This is actually used, this is surfit. This is actually used along with the formula. Okay. So this formula is basically a relationship between the predictor variables over there, and like by this you can directly plot a graph and check out the probability of the survival. So let's go ahead and do some practice on this, and let's play some data here. So the first task that we need to use here is like install dot packages, and the package name is survival. Okay, let's go ahead. Well, so we can see here that package survival is already installed here, so we need not to worry about this. Just go ahead and add its library. Okay, and within this library we can add up it kind of a survival package here. Now the next task is we have to find out like what are the data source and how we can utilize that set of data within our this R program. So I have a data set here. Let me show this to you. This is the VA. Yeah. So here you can find as S time, or maybe reporting time, or like the time when the issue happened, then the status, then read, then age, call, diagonal time, cell, and priority. So let me do this activity, and let's try to show you the probability, like if the time of occurrence and the time of reporting to the doctor is this much, then what is the status of survival, or what is the probability of survival here? And similarly, we will see about the age, like by which age the probability of being a survive is higher as compared to other ages as well. So let's see how we can proceed this. So the first thing is like what we have to do is we have to load this CSV file into some variables, right? And for this, like just go ahead and we can make it like data. Okay, then we can go ahead with read.csv, and here we can specify the file name along with the location. Okay, and because if you do not specify the location, it will take a location from the inbuilt directory or internal directory actually. So now the first thing is like let me change the format actually, because as you know that this R do not consider this Windows format of data of directory structure actually. So here we have va.csv. Okay, fine. So now let me see if the data is correctly stored into this variable or not. For the same, we can fire a command print data. Okay, and yes, we can clearly see here that data is successfully stored in this particular variable. Okay, and now this time what we have to do is like we have to perform the survival analysis test. So for this, like let's say fit. Okay, then we have survival, not survival, it is survival here. Then our data is stored in the variable called as data, and we can mark it as dollar as time. Okay, and then we have one more field is required here, and this must be status. Okay, and we can put it with one here, and let's see. Okay, that's great. And now this time what I'm going to do is with the same status I'm going to plot my graph. Okay, here you will see your graph. Okay, that's great. So you can see here that as per this responsibility, this one like probability analysis, the probability is of survival is very high if the reporting time is lesser. If the reporting time is very high, in that case, the probability of survival will be quite low. And in the similar manner, let me do one thing. Let me take some experiment here, and let me try to check this one probability of survival along with the age here. Okay, and let's go ahead. And this time again, you can see like here, if you just look at this, up to the age of 40 years, the survival of probability of survival is almost high, right? It's almost one. That means it's completely up 100%. And as the age increases here, like as per the data, actually, the probability of survival decreases accordingly, right? So this is how you can perform the survival analysis, and this is a feature that R is giving to us by which we can figure out at least like when a particular event will occur or when a particular operation will get done. So I hope you like this session, and if you have any question, any doubt, please let me know. And if you like the channel, please share and subscribe the same so that other students can also get benefited from the same. Thank you so much and have a nice time ahead. Bye bye.